Welcome back, everybody. We're here at the base of Pikes Peak, Garden of the Gods, Colorado Springs. Got the Blackstone Camping Griddle. We're gonna make a Bonzai Pipeline Burger. And I wanna give a huge shout out to my new friends at Hovsco. They hooked me up with e-scooters. I'm super pumped because this is gonna allow me to get out with the kids more often and have some extra fun. Let's get all the prep work out of the way. Red onion. You have to have red onion when you're doing a Bonzai pipeline burger. Like to have big old slices of raw red onion on my Bonzai pipeline burger. In one of my recent episodes of Let's Give It a Try, somebody asked me, where did you get shredded green leaf lettuce? I know this guy named Todd that shreds a mean green leaf lettuce. Don't overthink it, everybody. That's shredded green leaf lettuce right there. Why are you getting all jalapeno up in my business? That might have been really poor delivery. I apologize. Simple, just gonna chop the top off, cut it in two, and I'm gonna scrape some of the seeds out, thin strips, and a little dice. Cilantro, I'm not gonna chop it off. I think I'm just gonna pick off some really pretty cilantro leaves. This is totally unlike me. 80-20 ground beef. This is my sesame seed bun today. 80-20, so I know it's gonna shrink. I wanna make sure that it still looks good on the bun, so we'll make this a little bit bigger. So these are probably gonna end up being at least quarter pound, maybe even closer to a third pound when it's all said and done. So a little more thick. These are not smash burgers. These are what they would call a pub style burger. A little bit of avocado oil down on each patty, rub that in, and we'll hit it up with a little SPG, which stands for so perfectly good. Salt, pepper, garlic. I'm not that smart, by the way, my daughter, and she gave me that funny acronym. Let's fire up the new Camp Griddle. And I can turn the temp down low because these things heat up so fast and so hot. Seasoning side down. A little more oil on the other side, and a little more SPG, and down with those diced jalapenos. I want to cook those peppers for a few minutes, take the edge off so they're not too hot. I just want a little bit of spice. And I love cooking on the griddle because you can press your patty down and get a killer sear. We're not worried about flare-ups. We're just worried about flavor, baby. I'm gonna scoot these patties over to the side. Jalapenos are all but done. I'm gonna pull those so we don't overcook them. And I have some canned pineapple rings. 1, 2. Let's go in for the patty flip. Oh yeah, baby. Meanwhile, we should be able to go in there and flip the pineapple. Woohoo! Those couldn't possibly look any better. Now it's time to toast the buns. A little bit of mayo will do the trick. Just a little bit inside the heels and the crowns. Spread that in lightly. Double Colby Jack, 2 slices on each patty. Those beautiful pineapple slices on top of the cheese. Buns down to toast for a minute or 2. Perfect toast. And when the cheese is melted perfectly like this, they're just about done. Pull out the teriyaki sauce. I have a new brand today. I've used their regular teriyaki before. Woo! Just put a little bit on top. I like to let it drip down and caramelize on the burger patty. No time to waste. A little bit of mayo on the burger heel. A little bit of that fresh shredded green leaf lettuce. Wasting no time. Gonna go in there and grab my patty down on top of the bed of lettuce. Oh man, they are looking good. A couple of those beautiful crunchy red onion rings on top, and a little bit of the sauteed jalapeno as well. And the finishing touch, cilantro leaves. Take a look at that. I'm probably the only YouTuber with 2 burgers and 2 scooters today. Oh yeah, I got it going on. All right, let's give it a try. So delicious. Years ago, I got the idea for the Bonzai burger from Red Robin. Of course, I added my own twist to it, put the jalapenos in there. We're gonna get back on the scooters. Shout out to my friends at Hovsco. I'm gonna put a link down below if you wanna check out all the Hovsco scooters and all their e-bikes. You can use my link and you can get a discount. But until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the Bonzai Pipeline Burger. Manitou Springs is famous because they have mineral springs. Very, very cool. Naturally carbonated spring water. 1800s hipster, one of the original hipsters. So that's Jerome Wheeler. I think he was first president of Macy's department store in New York City. So we're up here in Manitou, and this is the Wheeler Spring. Oh yeah, this is one of my more favorite springs in Manitou here. Oh yeah, that one is effervescent. So the Wheeler Springs, definitely one of my favorites. The locals actually bring lemon and lime up here, and they put a little bit of juice in there.